What's up, peeps? Dion Mitchell, OTCU up in here, baby. So today, I wanted to kind of break from the norm and stop talking about theory stuff. I wanted to get down to some nuts and bolts about what my econ is about. So for the next few videos, I'm going to talk about each one of the strategies in a little bit of detail so that you can kind of understand what the my econ business opportunity is all about. So today, the topic is income shifting. So income shifting is basically this. It is shifting money back into your check by right-sizing the amount of taxes that you pay. So the IRS basically says that 80% of Americans fill out their W-4 form wrong, and they have too much tax withheld. The average person in America, and this is just average, it varies, but the average person pays about $40 a week too much in taxes. This is the reason why most people get a refund. Now, the word refund I want to talk about too. So, just right quick. Refund, most people think this is a good thing, but it's kind of really not. But if you break down the word refund, re meaning again, and fund meaning money, basically all it is the government is giving you your money back again. Refund. So people think like, oh yeah, I'm getting free money back from the government. No, you're not. They're giving you the money you overpaid back to you. But there's something that happens in the middle of that process. So you pay your taxes like normal. What happens is you pay and you overpay, and then what happens is the government takes your money, puts it in a bank account, and then invests it. So let's say you get $3,000 back at the end of the tax season. So they essentially took your $3,000, put it in the bank account, made some investments with it, made some interest off your money, and then at the end of the 12 months, gave you your money back. So if I were to ask you to do the same thing, you would probably look at me like I was crazy. So if I said, hey, person X, let me borrow $3,000 and I'm going to invest your $3,000 and make interest off of your money, and then I'm going to give you your money back at the end of the year, you would probably look at me like I was crazy. But yet and still, a lot of people do that all the time by overpaying their taxes. How about you just break even? How about that? So the way my econ helps you deal with this is by correcting your W-4, because most people do not read it, and most people don't even know there's 2 pages to it. So what happens is you correct your W-4, and because you've corrected your W-4 to your current situation, because most people fill out their W-4 one time and that's it, and they never go back and look at it when something happens. I got married, I had kids, I bought a house, I opened up a business. Nobody ever really goes back to their W-4 to say, this might be a reason why I need to change it. So a lot of your money is going to the government, and then most people are wondering why they are struggling. So another IRS publication basically says if people would right-size their taxes, it would be more beneficial to that person to use the excess money that they're paying to the government, or in the form of this overpayment, to help pay off debt or get into investing. IRS says that. You read it all up on their website, irs.gov. Like, it's there in print. One of the mentors in my econ said if you put it in print, people will not read it. And that's true, because a lot of people don't know. But my econ is here to help. Now, depending on your situation, most of the time, we can get you money back. $200 to $500 a month, typically. But that is if you haven't manipulated your taxes or, claimed exempt and all this other good stuff that I've been hearing about that's out here. Like, if you just doing the normal stuff, you probably can get some money back. But if you out here, messing around and changing it and illegally and all that, may not be able to help you that much. That's just the reality of it. But I'm going to get more into detail on this subject because, like I said, I'm going to do a video, probably a video a week on each one of the strategies, so you can get a kind of a overview of what my econ is about. So income shifting equals tax reduction equals higher take-home pay. That's the first strategy. All right, people, I got to get out of here. This is Dion Mitchell, OTC, you up in here, baby. If you want to know more information about my econ, give me a holler. You can reach me at otcu.myecon.net, or you can go to the income shifting video, which is www.incomeshifting.com. After that, send me an email at otcu@myecon.net, and let's talk about how we can improve your financial situation for 2018. Okay, people, that's the first of the 5 strategies. So I will be back next week talking about the next strategy, which is debt elimination. So once you get this money, what do you do with it? All right, people, this is Dion Mitchell, OTC, you up in here, baby, educating the masses for a better 2018. All right, I'll holla.